traders, just a quick video. I think we're going to be looking for shorts tomorrow on this Dow. I took this here on this stopping bar and took it up to this resistance area here and took it off, and could have flipped it. A very hesitant bar up here, and it was breaking down through the daily pivot, so we need to look for shorts in this tomorrow by the look of it. We are literally 10 minutes off the close, so that's pretty rough as far as the bulls are concerned. I got this move in the oil. I started off the US session with a stop out, so but ended up doing very nicely. At the pit open, this just came right back to here and just shot up and didn't give me a chance to get in. So when it came back to the moving average down here and this support, I bought it at 20 and took it up to R3. So I was in it for 2-3 hours and just took it up to R3. Okay, so that was that, and took the FTSE in the morning. If you look at the morning chart to the left, we opened up and sold off, but we held. So I took this price here and took it off up here because we had some data out, the jobs data. It was great, so got into the doldrums. This is about 10 o'clock, so just took it off and left it. So 1 or 2 stop outs and 1 or 2 runners as well, so not bad. Daily charts, let's just go through the daily charts. I would expect to see some selling in this FTSE, at least a pullback after this weak close in the Dow. We may need to pull back to this area here. We've got some topping tails up here, so we've just got a bit of a distribution pattern up here anyway. It was curling over. We may just need one sort of exhaustion spike up to 6,000. At that point I would look to get short. Let's just see if we get one more spike up there. I'm not going to set a short up there at the moment. I'm just going to leave that because but I do think that now we've got this Dow. Actually, we come into this resistance area here. You can see a lot of price action around here. So we've come up to here. We haven't had a selling day for quite a while. That's a nice little channel up there. So this is just a pullback. So if we come and hold this area here, we may well just bounce back. But I mean, this is the sort of time where I expect to see some selling. Now, Christmas is getting pretty close now, so we could be seeing a little bit of profit taking up here, and so that might create a bit of a downdraft. I mean, that is a reversal bar. It's not extreme RSI, but it is up against a lot of resistance, so this is the sort of time I would start to look to get short. If we break 13,220 tomorrow, I will short it, and it needs a 110 point stop, a few points above that high there. Okay, right, oil's had a good day, so I was quite surprised we hadn't moved back to the upside before now. But so we've had this low pattern here, new low, close above. That's a buy now at 86.40. Okay, I'll be looking for 86.40. If you want to swing trade it, I think that swing trader will get your stop under 85.25. Because as we head into January, I would expect to see that possibly retest at least these levels here. If you put fibs on this move here, which I will do now, right, so I would buy a pullback and I would start to look for 92 and 94. At which point, I'd look for that into January, at which point I would look to get short up here. And so I'd like to get short that once we break that level there. Right, pound. It's had a good day. We've closed above this resistance. So we're going to pull back to 161. I think that's viable to see if we can climb up to 163. The euro is at that's even a stronger close. So that's now a pullback to 130. I'll try and get 40 on that one. If you want to trade that. So we are, yeah. So like I said, I would just wait and see about this Dow, because we are sitting on that support now. But like I said, it is a reversal bar, so that's a little bit of a I think the other markets will catch up and potentially get short, so I will be looking to see if that can roll over, or at least start to sell at this point. Right, pound yen. Yeah, after this hammer 2 days back, that's 200 points after that move back here. I think 135, here we come. Pull back to 133.60 or 50 if you're lucky, and then that can move up. That's it. Let's have a quick look around markets, but I mean, the pound Aussie dollar is just not doing it. Trapped in a very tight range with no direction. Aussie US while we're here. This yeah, a bit of a reversal bar up there as well. We are this 106 has been very 105, 106 has been very problematic with this one. That's very much like the Dow. So I would expect that to possibly drop on the back of that. Pound Swissy sideways. US dollar CAD. Yeah, we've got a hammer on this on the US dollar CAD. On a key level there. We've got 30 on the RSI. I think if that breaks above 98.65, I think we could get back to parity, maybe even more. If the Dow is going to be shaky, one way of trading a shaky Dow is to buy the US dollar CAD, and you can see there's a divergent relationship with the Dow. So if you're a pure forex trader and don't want to get into the Dow, then this is potentially a way to get into that move. US dollar Swissy. That's still weak. That is still weak. So US dollar CAD has got it. Okay, we're literally just about to come to the close on this Dow. Since we've topped in the smaller time frames, all pullbacks have been shorted, sold into. So we're seeing a lot of weakness. I do apologise. We're seeing a lot of weakness into this chart. I'm going to keep that off and just focus on the top of that resistance area up there. Alright, I hope that's helped you, and I will leave that there and look forward to seeing you at the next update.